Experience the wonder, experience new life. A world full of color stretches the sky if we wake up our hearts and see it all. Experience a sight that's never been seen. Discover a feeling unlike anything. Awake in the moment, here and now.
Denny is very brave, she's very strong, she's very unstoppable. Kaya I believe makakamtan lahat ni Denny yung mga dreams niya. Continue being unstoppable and beautiful also.
Discover the new, open our eyes. It's time to breathe, it's time to begin. Oh, and this is the moment. I hear the call. Discover it all. Discover.
Happy birthday, Denny! Time flies so fast. Yesterday, 6 years old ka lang. And today, we're already celebrating your 7th birthday. 6, 7. I love you, Denny!
Discover it all.
Welcome to the 7th birthday of Denny! Si Denny. Si Denny, napaka-friendly talaga niya, no? Talagang napaka-extrovert niya. Tapos ako nga yung minsan na, na susupladahan, pero pag sa mga ibang mga bata, tsaka mga nanay na kilala niya, no? Palagi siyang lumalapit, mga friendly. Kaya marami siyang nanay, no? Ito yung mga ibang nanay niya. May second mother, may hanggang fifth mother yata, meron na si Denny. No? Friendly lang ako sa misis ko.
Talaga mo?
Kaya yun, napakabait ang anak kong yan at napakatalino din. No? Siyempre, nasa nanay yung talino.
Tama naman.
It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. All the little things, all the golden dreams. I just wanna be in my beautiful life. Laughter, even in the
Thank you for being my friend since we're in pre-game to end. And I wish you have a happiest birthday today. Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday, my favorite bunso. You are a blessing to our family, my Denny girl. And I am so grateful to God for giving me you. I hope that you continue to be the jolly, kind-hearted, healthy, brave girl that you are. Keep in mind that Mama will always have your back. You can come to me for anything, anytime. I know that you are going to have a wonderful life ahead, and I pray that as you grow, you will be a reflection of God's grace, and you will always bring all the glory to Him. I love you forever, anak. Happy birthday.
Every sunset, every sunrise, every new breath, every goodbye, all the mountains, the adventures, every moment.
Kapait ko, proud din ako na bilang tatay mo, no? Daddy mo, later years to come, no? Na pag nagdalaga ka, wish lang namin na good health, no? Mag-aral kang mabuti. Pero siyempre, step by step yan, no? Always pray to God for guidance. At alam mo namin na blessing ka talaga, no?
It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful
Happy birthday, Denny! Happy birthday, Denny!
things, all the golden dreams. I just wanna be in the
Happy birthday, Denny! Happy birthday, Denny! Happy birthday, Denny!
thankful ako na ikaw ang naging anak namin. At happy birthday, anak! I love you so much and God bless you all.
All the mountains, the adventures, every moment. It's a beautiful